Hello YouTube friends and fans. This morning we're going to work on putting lifetime tomato stakes down. Stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alright, so if you see this guy right here, this was an attempt to extend the stake. They break because they rot, all that jazz. Well, they don't difficult to pound in, tend to break. The vibration breaks where you put screws in, so I've had enough. Let me show you what I got. Here comes a load of rebar or tomato stake. Material came from local equipment rental, pretty much specialized in concrete. It's 3/4 and they cut the first set for me. Probably would have cut the other one, but I got the tool, not a big deal. So let's get it to length. We got more. Now the excess links I will take in the garage and make a few more. I'll weld them together. I'll show you that trick, the best way to do that. Alright, so the way this really works best is to cut the edge off, round it like a pencil, and you put two together and you weld it. So I've got to grind it down and go from there. Got a diamond tip. Do the second one, we'll weld it together. Now we take two clamps, put the tips together, take a piece of angle iron and hold them down together. This creates a straight line. Now we're going to get the welder out. Turn the gas on. Turn the power on, apply the ground.
Next level.
So there's the weld. It's not super pretty. I can grind it down yet, but that should hold real well. Let me show you how tall it is. Let's go put her in the ground. So this is rebar, 3/4 inch. It won't bend very easy, and you can tell it's a little taller than I am, which is great. We've put horse manure on the garden every year due to my in-laws, so this garden grows pretty good generally, and it's got a slope from the house. We get the east spouts that has water, so it takes care of itself generally. So let's put this bad boy in the ground. What's the odds I hit the string? Pretty good, I guess. Now we've got a 6-foot tall tomato stake. It's going to last a long time. The wind's not going to blow it over. We do live in a pretty windy area. And it's blowing, as you can tell on the speaker.
Also, the trees in the background. They're going nuts.
Time to tie this guy up.
Next level.
Well, let's head over to the potato plants. We've got some bugs we got to try to get rid of. Sprayed them last week. Show you what else we're doing to them. Use an old drink container. Knock them in. Just knock them into the bottle. Seen some more. Where did the other ones go? Down under the underside of the leaf. Alrighty, friends. Hope you liked the video. Just a short little treat. Wanted to let you know steel's not cheap, but neither is buying tomato steaks 3 and 4 times. You can see me for sure, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like and comment. If you want a pretty good deal on tomato twine, check the description below.